Infinix has launched its new gaming-centric phone in India called Infinix GT 10 Pro with a quiet, stylish rear panel design. The first word is performance. That the new ultra-budget gaming phone of 2023, the Infinix GT 10 Pro, we have partnered Infinix to give you one of the first look at what could be an excellent value for money gaming phone of this year. Okay, let's start with unboxing this box pack. The full package with a secret, we get a protective case, screen protector, headphones with a 3.5mm jack, and a 45-watt charger. And finally, we have the device itself, and well, this looks like what gaming phone should be all about. First up is design. We've got this standout cyber mecha transparent boxy, and the design look that has a mini LED indicator on the back, and it looks really good. And nothing too flashy, just the right amount, which I personally prefer. They got their inspiration from the world of cyberpunk. I'm not gonna lie, this actually stand out with its unique look. The light will glow up when there's a notification or any incoming call, or when you're launching a game or a lifestyle when you play music, and these lights actually sync up to the music you play, which looks pretty good. Now let's see the specification of this phone. The Infinix GT 10 Pro features a tall about 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 900 nits of peak brightness support. And Infinix GT 10 Pro is one of the first phones to use the new MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chip with a 9-core Mali G77 GPU. The smartphone packed with 8GB LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal store, and it has 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card slot. In terms of optic, the Infinix GT 10 Pro supports a triple camera setup on the rear. That includes 108-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture along with 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear camera of the phone is capable of shooting 4K video at 30 frames per second. And for selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 based on XOS 13 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 500 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with high-res audio system for better audio experiences. And it also includes VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme condition. And the connectivity option on the phone include dual SIM, 5G Wi-Fi, 6 Bluetooth, 5.3 GPS, NFC, and 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimension of this smartphone measures at 162.66 by 75.89 by 8.1mm, and it weighed around 187 grams. So this is the specification of Infinix GT 10 Pro, and thank you so much for watching.